Dolly, is that a kitty cat? Dolly, come on. Dolly, come here.
What is the cat doing?
Not much. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Doesn't get afraid. Huh?
No. It wants to play, I think.
Yeah.
Dolly, you get the kitty. You're a pretty kitty. Dolly, is that a... What is that?
Oh, don't go in there.
No, I know. Dolly, come here.
Look at her. Isn't that pretty, that cat? If they both come in.
I know. She's like, I've never seen a kitty before.
Oh my God. You can bring her over out. Take care of them for a few days, both of them, and I won't give them back.
That's funny. Yep. Dolly, come on.
Yeah, we don't want to go all the way
Got it?
down. Yeah.
Encounter with a kitty.
What is this for? Isn't that kitty?
All right.
That's the one.
Hey, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here.